This wig is making me dance. Like, hey. This is gorgeous. So you can do it like that, or you can do it this other way. You know? Just play with the hair as you wish. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chantal. Thank you so much for tuning into your best place for natural hair care, self-care, wig reviews, and lifestyle. If you know you haven't subscribed, bro, sis, please, it's free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and make sure you turn on the notification bell button so you get notified every time I post new videos. Without wasting so much of your time, let's get into the review of Better One Month Die. Today, I've heard so much about you. I've seen so many reviews about you, so we're gonna try it today on Chantu hair. So this is the bag, right? This is the bag. So let me just take it out of the pack and see what's inside. Ooh. See how cute she is. I love this color. So I'm just gonna take this out. Let's take her out. Let's take her out. Ooh, these baby hairs are killing it. See? Two combs here at the side, and then this is the lace right here. One comb in the back, an adjustable strap. Okay, let us try you on. Let us try you on. Let us try you on and see the hype. I've heard about you for so long. Let's see what you've got to offer for us. Okay, stay tuned. Ooh. Before I cut the lace, let me try her on. This wig is small head friendly. This is tight. You can see it's so tight right here. This is small head friendly, y'all. It's super duper tight. Now let's get to cutting up the lace. Okay, since I've had it where I want it to be, okay, so I'm just gonna flip the lace backward and then use my Got2b spray, and then I'm gonna use this to cut the lace. Stay tuned. There. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Alright, love, so you could order this hair online, or you could just go on Google and just type the name of the wig, and you're gonna have a bunch of online vendors that you could buy from. There are a long list of them, and the prices varies from each website, but I ordered mine off of Samsbeauty. So I bought this one for $51. So it depends the color of the hair you pick. So the color I have on is the Flamboyage, the chocolate color. So when you pick a different color, the price adds. So you might have like $2 on top of the original price, which is $49. So you have to take note of that. Also, note that this is not an everyday wig. This wig is best for special occasions and events. So you could have like 3 or 4 wears out of the hair. It's synthetic hair, you know, so it's not human hair. So that's my advice to you all before you get the wig. up like this right now in front of the camera, huh? See, it's bad. It's bad. How much is this one? Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished doing my baby hairs off camera because the camera battery died. So I'm just gonna take this out and let's see how it looks like. Ooh. See? So far, this is how your girl is looking. Ha. Alright, you can either use a powder or you can go in with a concealer. That powder cover up this whiteness and then make it look like skin, okay? See? I'm reducing the whiteness. See? See? It's reducing that whiteness that we saw before. See the difference? Before, this other side, you see the whiteness right here. So I'm just going to use it the same way. Fake it till you make it. I think we're good to go, right? See? All that whiteness you will see back there is gone. That's how you cover up. So people don't know. Go back, go away. We're all done. See how, ooh, this is gorgeous. I haven't even brushed it yet. I'm just using my fingers to. She sure tangles, but it's synthetic hair. I don't care. So I'm gonna grab my paddle brush and just try to brush her. This brush is the best brush you could use. Oh, she sure tangles and sheds. She sheds. Yeah, she sheds. Wow. Wow, she is. Ooh. Ooh. I love this. This is cute. See? 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 You can rush it. Like this. My goodness, this hair is gorgeous. Like, girl. Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
You're the best.
I'm the best. You're the best. Guys, this hair is gorgeous. See? Solana, I'm in love with you. I haven't even done like this part. She is definitely gorgeous. She is. See? I'm 5'5", so this is where it's really long, right? I heard about you, and I'm in love with you. See? See? Ooh, baby.
love you too, sweetheart.
No, but you want to say wow. You want to say wow, what toy? Wow.
Me. I heard about you and I'm in love with you. Girl, see here. For how much? Free pardon. You just play with it. See? Okay guys, so now let's take this hair. This is the side part. So let me try to take it back to the middle part. You could part it in the middle. You could bring it back in the middle to have a middle part. So I didn't even use a comb, guys. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. See? It's back in the middle. So it's free parting. So you can literally just, I'm gonna, right? Oh, she is gorgeous. She is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. She short tangles. She short tangles.
Alright love, thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Like, comment and share with your family and friends. That's the only way you could show us support for the great work we do. Please let us grow this community together. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button if you like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much and God bless.
It's free parting, so you could part it the sides this way, like this. Ooh, she is gorgeous, okay? Right? And finally you could hold it like this. I could hold her like this. Okay, I could hold her on this part. I could hold her like this. So you could hold her like this. I messed up my baby hairs. Super excited. So I messed up my baby hairs. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to look for a rubber band. So you could actually hold her like this, right? This is another style. You could hold her like this. You could hold her like this. On the side, in the middle part, you know? Yeah. So you could do her like this, okay? Oh, you just let her flow. But today, I'm just gonna leave it this side part. Okay, guys. It's okay with me. Just for today, I'm just gonna leave it this side part. sure tangles.
Alright love, so we've come to the end of the video. The hair is gorgeous, but the downside is that it shades and it short tangles. It's synthetic wig, you can't have it for too long. That's the downside. But overall, I really love the way the wig is. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next videos. I'm just taking pictures here and filming myself. Bye guys, God bless. Love you all.
I tried you and I love you. This is synthetic hair, for sure. She is.